A state lawmaker wants to remove penalties for possession of marijuana.
Under the proposed rule, anyone caught with under 1 ounce of weed wouldn't be charged with a crime. And as News Channel 5's Kyle Horan shows us, it's similar to what's happening in 2 Tennessee cities already.
Debates about marijuana have been going on for years here at the Tennessee House. Medical marijuana has been debated for at least 5 years. This bill, however, is recreational, and it deals more with decriminalization.
The motion reconsidered is tabled.
Marijuana is a complex issue here in Tennessee.
Vote aye.
For years, lawmakers have tried and failed to pass medical marijuana.
It doesn't legalize distribution of marijuana.
Now there's a new proposal on the table, one that would allow you to have small amounts of marijuana without being arrested.
An amount less than 1 ounce.
Memphis Democrat Representative London Lamar sponsored the bill.
All of the surrounding states around Tennessee are making moves to legalize or decriminalize marijuana. We've seen it in Arkansas, we've seen things in Georgia. What we want to do is not be the last state in our region to make moves to do criminal justice reform.
There are already 2 cities in the state where people caught with small amounts of marijuana aren't being prosecuted right now. They're Memphis and Nashville, where the DAs have decided not to prosecute just due to the sheer volume of cases.
We don't want any young person or any person to have their life ruined because they simply were caught smoking weed. There are a lot of veterans who use marijuana to deal with their PTSD and other medical issues. And this is also something that we can use to curb the opioid crisis we are seeing in Tennessee.
But marijuana has faced fierce opposition in Tennessee. Laws to legalize forms of medical marijuana have failed repeatedly over the past few years, even with Republican backing.
It's an opportunity for us to work together.
The U.S. House of Representatives just passed the MORE Act, a marijuana reform law that would strike cannabis as a Schedule I substance.
Marijuana should not be a tool used to place innocent, good citizens in jail. This is something that's legal less than 2 hours away.
Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Kyle. Before this bill could become law, it has to make it through multiple committees, and recent attempts, as Kyle mentioned, at medical marijuana legalization have failed before they've even made it to the floor of either chamber.